You know that feeling when you buy a city pass and then realize you only used it for one museum and a bus ride? Yeah, we've all been there. City passes sound like a great deal. Free entry here, skip the line there. Until you end up chasing random attractions just to make your money back. But here's the truth. A few city passes in Europe actually do save you money. If you know how to use them right. And today, we're going through 5 of the smartest city passes that aren't tourist traps. They're genuine travel hacks. So if you love saving money without skipping the good stuff, subscribe right now, because this channel's all about traveling smarter, not poorer. All right, grab your coffee, open Google Maps, and let's start unlocking Europe. Let's begin with number 1, the Paris Museum Pass, France. The big one, the Paris Museum Pass. This pass gives you access to over 50 attractions, including the Louvre, Musée d'Orsay, Palace of Versailles, and Arc de Triomphe. It costs around €70 for 4 days. And if you hit just 4 to 5 main spots, you already save money. For example, the Louvre, €22, Orsay, €16, and Versailles, €21, alone would already cover most of it. And that's not even counting skip-the-line entry. Pro tip, plan geographically. Do nearby museums on the same day. That's how you squeeze the most value out of it. Now, number 2, Amsterdam City Card, Netherlands. Amsterdam is expensive, and that's putting it politely. But the Amsterdam City Card actually saves you from both ticket queues and credit card pain. It includes free access to 70+ attractions, unlimited public transport, and even a canal cruise. Prices start around €60 for 24 hours. Or €95 for 48 hours. And if you use it right, visiting the Rijksmuseum, €22. A canal tour, €20. And Artist Zoo, €26. You're already ahead. Bonus tip: it also covers local ferries. And some smaller hidden gems, like the Nemo Science Museum. Great for kids and adults. According to the Amsterdam Tourism Board, card users saved an average of 25% compared to buying individual tickets. From water canals to the royal capital. Our next city pass is for travelers who love history and buses with better views than Netflix. Next, number 3, the London Pass, United Kingdom. Ah, London, where everything costs at least a fiver more than you thought. But the London Pass can genuinely help. It covers over 80 attractions, including Tower of London, Westminster Abbey, Windsor Castle, and even the Thames River Cruise. A 3-day pass costs about £114. And if you visit 2 to 3 major sites per day, you can save £60 to £100 easily. Pro tip: combine it with the Oyster card or London Travel card for cheap transport. That's when it becomes unbeatable. According to GoCity's 2024 report, 92% of users said they saved money. And half said the biggest bonus was skipping queues. Because time in London is money. From the royal vibes of London, let's head to the city where history meets espresso. And where one pass covers everything you could possibly want. Moving forward to number 4, the Rome City Pass, Italy. Rome is like an open-air museum. And this pass helps you enjoy it without going broke. The Rome City Pass, by TurboPass or Omnia card, gives access to the Colosseum, Vatican museums, Sistine Chapel, Roman Forum, and even airport transfers. It starts around €75 for 3 days. But the Colosseum, €18, plus Vatican, €25, plus transfer, €15, plus bus tours already cover that cost. And here's a fun fact. Rome welcomed over 22 million visitors in 2024. And the average tourist wasted 3 hours daily just waiting in lines. With this pass, you skip all that. Fixed tip: activate it early in the morning. The 72-hour timer starts when you first scan it. Don't waste a day by activating it late at night. All right, let's climb up north to a city that's as efficient as its trains and as clean as its chocolate. Finally, number 5, the Swiss Travel Pass, Switzerland. Now, this one's legendary. The Swiss Travel Pass is your golden ticket to all public transport. Trains, buses, boats, even mountain lifts in some regions. It's not cheap, around 240 Swiss francs for 3 days. But the value is unbeatable. Imagine this. You board the Glacier Express. Cruise across Lake Lucerne. And visit 20+ museums. All on one pass. The math? Those alone would cost 400 Swiss francs plus separately. According to Switzerland Tourism, 85% of foreign travelers who used the pass said it significantly reduced trip costs. And honestly, it also saves your brain. Because buying separate Swiss train tickets is like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Here's the truth. City passes don't automatically save money. You do, by planning smartly. Choose passes that fit your travel rhythm. If you're a 3 museums before lunch person, go for it. But if you prefer coffee and wandering, pick shorter passes or day-based ones. Because the real goal isn't seeing everything, it's enjoying what you see without stress. If this video helped you spot a smarter deal, check out our next one, 7 carry-on packing tricks airlines don't tell you. And hey, if you love travel stories that save both money and headaches, hit subscribe right now. Until then, travel smart, spend less, and let the passes do the work for you.